Hi guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of my how to make a necklace with these crystal beads, which I'm going to use as pendants. As in my part 1 video, I wasn't sure whether to use just one on the bottom, 2 or 3, maybe 4. I have set out some beads to show you the combination of, the 2 rainbow crystals and the clear, and then I came to this conclusion that I will probably do the 3 the same colour with the 4mm pink crystal bicones in the middle, so hopefully that will come out okay. The wire I am using, as always, I use this one. It's a 7-strand bead long silver wire, and it's very good for these sort of projects. You can have a thinner one, but I like to use the 0.018 inch one, so that's good. So also I'm going to be using my cutters, and I'm going to be using my flat nose and my flat nose and my I can use both of the flat noses for my project, and also my lilac seed beads. So that's the plan, to have these at the bottom of my necklace with the pink and a few of these opaline beads, which are kind of like an opal kind of shade, sort of like a milky opal. So those will be nice on there too. So this is the finished necklace. As I was undecided on which of the geometric beads to put on the bottom, I have decided on 3 of the beads, and the 3 crystal ones, and with that I have added pink beads to the necklace. I've added some lilac seed beads instead of the cream ones, and I've added the 2 different shades of the pink beads. It's actually come out quite nice. Obviously the milky and the opaline beads I've added. So basically I've just sort of done a sort of a general sort of simple pattern going up the necklace. This necklace is I think it's 20 inches long, which seems long, but it's actually not. I've done a short one instead of a long one, so it's actually come out quite nice. Also, because I was undecided on the bottom part, I've actually made a blue one as well. So I've added on this one, it's slightly different with the pattern. I've added slightly bigger beads, clear beads, and I've added some blue tube glass beads, and obviously the 3 geometric glass beads at the bottom. So this is also 20 inches long. The pink one I've done as a present for somebody for Christmas, and I'm not sure, I'll probably sell this one or wear it myself. I do like the blue one. As I said, I'm not a pinky person, but I do like the pink because they're not too bright. The beads are very neutral pinks. So there we go, 2 finished necklaces.